Genius cast, because I haven't gotten any of them yet. But also,
this is Sarah John.
going back to the question, also the university series, because I missed them so much. They go way back. First series was with them, so I'd be super excited to share the stage with them. Of course, Mutya, STP, it's all of them, honestly. I can't really pick. Yeah. Anyone else?
You can't really pick, ah. Dati. Babago talaga yung mga tao, no?
Ay. How about you, Marco? You have any answer to that?
No, I was about to say Frost, pero if it's that way, I guess.
Hindi, so, baka di ko kasama sa Magic Mike mo eh.
Huh?
Baka di ko kasama sa Magic Mike mo.
Eh kasi hindi ka na nagpapakita, bro.
Oh.
Kung kanino-kanino ka na lang napapadpad.
Open forum. Sige, Frost. Anything you wanna say kay Marco?
Hindi lang, I'm just speaking facts eh. Hindi, pero sige, okay
Oh,
lang.
man. Bro,
Okay lang.
you know it.
Go with them,
You know
bro.
it.
Enjoy, ah.
Oy! Si Marco super batak talaga, pero baby boy yan. Super baby.
Oh, don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. No, stop. You want me to start talking?
Anyways. Next.
Yeah. How about Ashton, ikaw? Bukod kay syempre, kay
Ayun,
Andres.
bukod po kay Andres, syempre nilook forward ko po talaga yung kasama yung lahat ng girls. Kasi feeling ko sobrang saya at parang may-reminisce ako ng mga time na nagpe-perform kami as a girl group. Yun po.
Diba?
Robin, you wanna answer?
Ako po gusto kong makasama si Angela sa performance. Sana sabay kami sumayaw naman. Hindi na muna kanta, no? Hindi sa'yo na. Ngayon po.
Anyone else?
Siyempre po, na-excite po ako maka-perform kaming lahat na all together sa stage. Pero personally, gusto ko pong makasama mag-perform sa stage. Like, Ashdress, grabe, like, kinikilig ako sa kanila guys. Inabang-abang ko yun. Sana yung pod kami with them. Yun.
Ano yung kilig? Gets naman. Yes, Hans. Yeah. Sino yung gusto mong makaligo?
Ako, hands down, Michael Kidd eh.
Ako po, siyempre gusto kong rap gel, siyempre. Kinikilig ko na. Sa fan ako ng rap gel, guys. So, yun.
Ano yung inaabangan mo, Ethan?
Ano,
Makaperform
rap
siya.
tan. Hindi, panoorin niyo po yung si Lucy Drake parang.
May second and
Hindi, pero I'll just insert po. Sana po magdaling-daling lahat ng Beaver Kala. Yun po yung dream ko.
wow, sana na. So, my second and last question. Doing all these Viva One projects, di ba? Growing with Viva, ano yung pinaka sa tingin nyo important na nag-gain nyo as a performer, as an artist na quality?
I think, kasi Amuja Next actually was my first ever like, Amuja Next actually was my first ever, parang tuloy-tuloy na Viva project. And so I think one thing that I've gained working with the cast and also being around everyone here is I think I've strengthened my mental fortitude. Just learning how to take it one day at a time and syempre, being able to be ready whenever kahit di ka pa ready, you're able to get ready on the spot. And so I look up to a lot of these people. Naalala ko nung first time ko, when I came here in 2023, nagpo-promote pa ako nung single ko, solo pa ako nun. Kasama ko po sila the Abs, Ate Nicole, Kuya Marco, Kuya Frost, yung mga barkada sa mga performances nila sa Rain Respondent Tours. And so just seeing their work ethic and kahit pagod pa sila from their work and whatnot, they still go to that stuff. That's may mga ibang ganaps. Just seeing how strong their mental is towards everything. That's something that I always look up to and always respect. So that's something I learned from doing all this stuff.
Robin, ikaw.
Sorry, ano ba ulit? Yung ano?
Yeah, working with Viva One, since you started, ano yung pinaka, sa tingin mo, naging growth mo, or yung important na nag-gain mo na quality as an artist, as a person, ganyan?
Siguro po yung nakakapag-perform na ako sa stage. Dati, hindi ko po talaga kaya umarap sa maraming tao. Ngayon, medyo kaya ko na po sumayaw siya kumanta sa harap ng maraming tao. Medyo lang po. Ayun po.
Hyacinth, do you have any?
For me, I can't really pinpoint anything. I feel like there's a lot of things, you know. I've only been with Viva and in this industry for about 3 years. So I feel like there's a whole list, there's a lot of things that I'm still learning and growing on as well. But definitely, one of the biggest things is, same as them, just becoming more comfortable with things now on the spot, or with being in the public eye and performing and stuff like that. I used to be such an awkward person growing up and as a kid.
Thank you. Ashton.
Ako po, masasabi ko, parang dito po kasi talaga ako sa Viva, natuto talagang kumanta, sumayaw, and mas na-enhance din po talaga dito yung pag-acting ko. Pero ang pinaka-importante po talagang natutunan ko is yung makapag-perform po sa harap ng maraming tao. Kasi sobrang mahihayin po talaga ako before. And ngayon po, parang kapag nag-perform ako and kapag nagagawa ko yung mga bagay na gusto ko, sobrang saya po at iba rin po talaga yung fulfillment na nararamdaman ko. Kaya thank you po talaga sa Viva sa, alam mo, sa pag-hold po sa amin.
Anyone else?
Derek.
Sa ano po, siguro yung good thing na I learned from this book is yung good pressure na we're given a deadline. We have to meet people's expectations, ganyan-ganyan. Also, performing on stage with big artists na you're comfortable with. Tsaka we're performing on a big stage, guys. It's really a good experience. Sobra.
And you really improved a lot kasi kaka-start na mo ni Derek like 11 months ago.
Okay, grabe. Thank you.
Ano po pinakabago sa amin pero he's really doing great. I'm so proud.
Thank you. Such a compliment from Ethan.
Ako naman po, I think siguro yung naging help sa akin ng Viva, being a Viva artist, yung mga bosses, minimake sure nila na hindi lang isa yung mapapakita mo na talent sa mga tao, or hindi lang isa yung mabibigay mo sa kanila. So, we did like workshops in singing, you know, dancing, acting. So yun, yun naman yung minimake sure ng Viva na yung Viva artists, like all around sila, like they can do all these things. And yeah, mas nag-boost lang din yung confidence ko in performing and you know, in acting with the help of the workshops na pinaprovide ng Viva for us.
Ako po, I think, ayun, same naman with everybody. We've learned a lot throughout the whole process of being a part of Viva. And we're very grateful sa kanila. Pero isa sa pinakamalaking siguro natutunan ko is yung pinaghirapan namin, marami po palang napapasaya. Hindi namin alam na kahit yung maliit na bagay, nakakapagpasaya sa ibang tao. So, that's one thing that I guess is stuck with me, is lahat ng kilos namin, parang mag-i-inspire sa tao. So, ayun po.
I think it's no surprise the fact that I'm not a singer or a dancer. Pero kasi every time, like before in the past, I would kinda, hindi naman sa hate it, pero because I'm not a singer, I kinda have a hard time. I get this like, how do you call it? Anxiety stage, where like, you feel so seen and you're so vulnerable. But then, the way I accepted it na lang is parang nakakatuwa kasi na, dami yung sinabi mo, like the small thing that we're there, we're singing, we don't have to be so good at it, that it makes other people's day. Like as in, tatravel lang sila para lang pupunta sila sa mall para sa promo ng books namin. And it just always ends in a good way, you know, because we made so many people happy in a matter of an hour. So yeah, I guess that's why we're doing this concert as well. Just a big thank you to everyone. The staff, Viva, the fans, everyone that brought us together. And hopefully, yung mga pakimbot-kimbot namin magustuhan ninyo po.
Ako naman po yung biggest thing na natutunan ko is yung confidence. Kasi mahihayin din po ako sa harap ng mga tao. So, lagi, yung confidence ko po, lagi ko siya nakukuha sa mga tao kapag nakita ko na happy sila, na mas nagagalingan ko po. Pero ngayon, malaki rin po yung tulong sa akin GAD kasi, tinutulungan nila ako kapag may times na feel ko hindi enough yung performances ko. And, yes.
Ako naman po, since I started training back in 2018 with Pop, di po talaga ako marunong sumayaw. Sobrang tigas po talaga ng katawan ko. And saksi po si Ashton. Pero ano po, natuto po ako sa Viva sumayaw, kumanta, and mag-acting na din po. Ang napansin ko po sa Viva is that hindi naman po kasi natuturo yung Star Factor, pero with all of the Viva artists that I've met and that I've seen act and sing and perform, Viva really knows how to bring out their Star Factor. Yun po talaga yung what I take pride in of being a Viva artist is that me and my fellow Viva artists, we are all stars in our own little ways.
Thank you, Mom.
Thank you. Nasagot naman lahat, no? Thank you. Break a leg again sa concert.